Hi friends, welcome to my channel Baking with Nupur at Baker's Delight. Once again I'm here with a non-bake recipe, and today we are going to make a no maida no yeast really easy homemade tandoori butter naan. See how soft and light it is? Yes friends, without any tandoor we are going to make this beautiful naan for our family. So let's start. First I'm gonna take a flat base bowl like this, and we are gonna take 1.5 cup of atta. You can use maida if you like, but I just wanted to make today with atta. After adding atta, you can add half cup of dahi, which is yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. It is just normal sugar that I have powdered, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we are going to mix this just like we do at home for our regular आटा. तो हम उसे उसी तरह गूंदेंगे, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू यूज सम lukewarm वाटर. तो हम सिर्फ उतना ही पानी लेंगे जितना हमें इसे एक सॉफ्ट डो बनाने के लिए चाहिए. वी डोंट नीड टू ऐड all of the water, otherwise we are going to end up with a lumpy paste. So let's form a dough now. So as you can see, my dough is almost ready, and now I'm just going to knead it with some oil, just little bit at a time. I have not added more than 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, so just add accordingly. And remember, we don't need a very hard dough, we are looking for a really soft dough. So now I've completely mixed it all together. The oil has completely been incorporated, and now I'm just gonna knead it for another 1 or 2 minutes on the surface, and I'm gonna leave it there covered for just 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, we don't need the usual proofing that we do with yeast for an hour or so. This dough is very light and it just needs 10 to 15 minutes. That's all. So now we're just going to leave it on this platform itself, and I'm just going to cover it with a bowl, and then we are going to start forming our little balls and make our naan. So leaving it here for 15 minutes. See you right back. Okay, now we are back, and as you can see that our dough has slightly risen. So this is not an yeast dough, so don't expect too much of rise, but your dough will be really soft and light. So let's take a dollop and try to fold it a little bit, but if you can't, does not matter. Folding is not that necessary. So just like normally we flatten out the roti, just like that, but this time I'm not gonna make it round. I'm gonna make it in an oval shape, rather like a teardrop, because that's how we usually get it in our Indian restaurants. So let's try and make a teardrop kind of an oval shape there. And now on one side I'm just going to put a little bit of kalonji. In Bengali we call this til, so black til, and just lightly press it, and then we're just going to roll it once more with the rolling pin so that it's completely stuck. Now I'm going to flip it over, and we are going to generously water the back side of it. Okay, so using the same water which we kept aside earlier, I'm going to water the back, and now lifting it up very carefully, I'm gonna just flap it up on the tawa. So in just a couple of seconds, the moment it's heated, you'll see there are a lot of air bubbles and there is so much of rise, just like the naan that you get in the market. It is beautiful. And now after a minute and a half, I'm just going to turn it around and see how beautifully it's getting cooked. Without a tandoor, you can make this at home and then in the end you can just brush it off with some butter. I've used some garlic butter. You can use normal butter also. You can use coriander also on while you are putting the kalonji. You can add some crushed coriander. See how beautiful the back is. I'm showing you another one. This also puffed up so beautifully. I just had to show you one more. So this was our dinner last night, and everybody really enjoyed and loved the naan. So I want you guys to try it as well and share in the comment section below how you found it to be. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you really like this video and you're gonna make some very soon. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you're always updated on my new and upcoming videos. I forgot to mention earlier that why we added the water at the back of our naan. It is because we wanted our naan to stick to our tawa and not fall off when we flip it to cook the other side. Hope that really helped. Until next time, happy baking.